Hello YouTube, and in this video I am going to be doing permissions. Now I'm going to do Permissionsex. This is a great plugin. This allows you to have groups and have certain commands. So as you can see at the moment I'm installing cannons, how to use and install cannons. My latest video, there's the link. But you're not going to have much use to that because it will be up by then. Well, you can have use to that because you can watch it, but yeah, so here's all so on. So the first thing you want to do is go to that website we looked at last. Let it load. Internet's really slow at the moment because I'm uploading that video. It's done 14%. Literally just died, so it's gonna be quite slow. Right, so you want to put Permissionsex. So let's just search that. If you're wondering what screen recorder I use, BB Flashback Pro. Yeah, so that's what I use to record. Great, you can edit it and everything. I highly recommend it, it's really good. So once you've searched it, you want to go to download. You can always look people that made it, versions they've got. So you want to download it. Open it. Go to your server. Mine got there still. So the server we made in the first ever video. I'm not really going to get rid of it. Now, you can choose any one of these. I'm going to put all of them in. Just because I am. Chat manner won't actually be activated when you run the server. So we're going to run it now. And one thing I am going to do is change that. It's working fine, but I like it when it looks like that. I am a bit OCD. I just want to say that. So okay. Now I'm going to run it. Maybe that's better. Yep. So as you can see, there's all my files. Right, so it did it quicker than it's ever done, probably. So now it says permissions YML is empty. That's because of that one there, and if you go to this one, go to leave config, so much to do it unless you wanna, yeah, so that's empty basically. So, okay, this is my server. It's not actually a test server, it's my main server. I've got loads of plugins for it, as you can see. I use it quite a lot. In my Permissionsex, I've got this. As you can see, it's my friend. Don't mess that up. Right, so here I've got what I set up already. I am gonna explain this to you on the other server, and I'm gonna write some too. So I'm gonna paste it right. And to check this actually works, you can go copy it again. You can go to Google. This is going to take a while. So basically, guest default means when that person joins the server, what are they going to be? So owner, I don't want them to be owner. I don't want them to be a co-owner. So it's false. I want them to be guest. Because, you know, I don't know them. I don't want them having all commands. So you can see users. Well, actually, I'll explain this first. So it's quite simple, really. Enter any space until you can call it I know YouTube, and then you have to put colon, leave it. Wait, I just space it one more run. Enter, space, space, space. See that little line there, that little dotted line there. That's lined up with default, so you want to put default. Default colon false. Oh. Yep, so that's right. And then you can change the inheritance. Now that's going up in the thing. So that's inheriting from. So that goes after that. Now I don't have admin. My server just runs me and my mate. That is it. I don't really use it for anything else. So I'm just going to leave inheritance. Now you may want to put permissions. If you want to have certain permissions. Then here you need to put that a space, and to give them all commands you want to put that'll give them every command on the server. Now certain plugins allow you to do like there's a permission you write. So if I go on the last video we did, oh yeah, just earlier, remember I copied it, just search YML checker and not a load. Yeah, if I go to plugins, take a while, that was quicker. Last time I did cannons, no, okay. Which is a fun mod, I have to say. Loaded. Right, you want to go to online YAML parser. Now here, I copied that stuff. Now, if you take away, maybe default, and I spelled that wrong, should come out with wrong. It's just loading. May take its while. Doing reload it. See? It says output and right. Let's start it. Well, it is wrong. It was working until a second ago. So you go to cans. Or you can go to Google and just actually type when it loads. I want to show you this because it's important. It checks that your YML works. If it doesn't work, it just won't allow it to work. So this tells if it works or not. As you can see, I purposely spelled default wrong. And this will tell me if it will work. It says it's good to check. 26, slowing it down. This will check if it works. So you see there, it did modify. So that'll give all the permissions for modify world. I could do canon dot style colorist. So technically, that'll give you all the commands to to canon. So you can do / firework. So canons permissions. You just search that, and it will actually search permissions that work for it, that you can put into your thing. But for now, I'm just going to do that. But as I run the server, it'll still say that it's empty. So what you want to do is go to your server, go to this one here, and paste in exactly the same. So get all that, copy it, put in this one. So now it won't be empty, it will actually work. See? Okay, so actually, it's telling me that it is not working, that something is not right. So it says line 17, column 4. This is why Notepad++ is really good, because it will tell you line 17. So what's wrong with that, you would think? Well, actually it's not lined up. So now when I run it, it should hopefully work. Reload. There we go. See, right, now it hasn't told me any errors. Right. Now if I go onto my server, that's not going to work. Oh, yeah, you go. An error has occurred. But it should tell you what line it is. But my internet's really slow. I'm really sorry. It's not the best video. But there you go. Look, there you go. So these are the commands you can do in the thing. So in permissions, you would write I can't remember what it's called, but you'd do that, and then you'd space cannons dot admin dot reload. So that's just that one there. So that would reload the config. So that would allow you to do that. But if you put cannons dot start, it would allow you to do every single one. So actually, I need to configure my server because it doesn't actually have cannons. It has cannon, and that can make such a big difference. So you want to do that to both Permissionsex and the other one. So okay, that should work now. Oh, one. Oh no. Oh, right. The next one is cannons. And I need to use that one. So reload. Okay. See, it said there, Chat Manager disabled. And that's because when you go to Chat Manager, edit the config, it says enable false. That is why it's not running, it's disabled. At the moment, it's right to stay false, I don't mind. So I'm going to run, I'm actually going to put the other one because the other one's stronger than my actual. Please don't copy that. It might be personal, I'm not sure, but you know. Again, my config is going to load my name and everything. Last time I was playing with the cannon, there you go, it's still there. So now I can do slash permission. There you go. So slash promote. So promote the user to the next group. If I just put slash px, I'll show you all the things. So you can put slash PEX group YouTube. See? There you go. YouTube's permissions, canon.star. There you go. You can actually add permissions on this. So I can add permissions. Now, if you go back up, so promote Wesley that's my name. What have I done wrong? Error command. Not too sure there. Maybe I have to put the ladder, as you can see there. So if I choose owner, it's because actually I think I'm already the owner. And that's because in the users it had Elliot owner, so technically I'm owner at the moment. That's why I can't really go up any higher. But now I'm going to actually do how to write just from scratch. So yeah, stop. So if you open Permissionsex, now I'm just going to delete all the way there. So it starts off with that. Now you want to line it up with guest, owner, admin, or whatever you want. You want to put default, amazing, default, okay. Then you want to put false, because I don't want them to be owner. My server, I didn't want them to be owner straight away. Now you see it's in red. If you just go to the front, backspace, and go there, and it'll work. Now you want to put what permissions they have. So you have to put it in apostrophes, so not speech marks. Again, it's in the red, so you just want to do like that. So there you go. Now there's owner. I'm currently not actually the user list. So if I go to the other permissions one, put that. Yeah. So anybody watch Pro Syndicate? He's great. You should subscribe to him. Syndicate Project. He's great. I love him. Not quite literally, but he's a great person. So I just got a tweet from him. So now you want to start your server. Put up Minecraft. See, it still doesn't say it's empty. Log in. Okay. So let's see which one's stronger. That one's quite weak. Might be stronger, if not, doesn't matter. No. Log in. Might take a while because my internet's slow. I said, right, it's quite fast this time. Not amazing. I could put PEX. So tell me the thing. PEX help. See, I do not have enough permissions. So that means that I can't do that permission, and it's not letting me do that permission. So I don't have that permission to do that. That is because I am just a guest. I'm just guest. I only have permissions to modify world, that's it. So, there you go, that's working. So yeah, but if I go promote owner. I'm not really sure, but you can put PEX help in the command. Oh, it's because I put the slash. Right, there you go. So now you can put use toggle. So out of 16, quite a lot. But 2, I can try and add them. I'm gonna try and make myself owner to show you guys. Really sorry, it's gonna be quite a long video. Right, here we go. So slash PEX, drag this over a bit. User, it might not actually give me the permission, so we'll do this in here. So it's not going to let me write that because I don't have permission to do that. So PX user me, so where's me area, and then group add owner. Right, so I'm group owner now. Now this time if I put PX help, there you go, gives me, because now I have all commands. I have right over everything. So there you go. That is simple use of missions. Not that complicated. I'm really sorry it's a long video, but I wanted to get it, done. Probably be my last video for tonight because I've uploaded 3 today. That's 50%. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Yeah, so goodbye YouTube.